Look at that highlight. Oh my gosh, stunning. Hello everybody and welcome to my closet. This is my VEDA day 6 video. In today's video, we're going to stay in the bedroom because the boyfriend is home. And I thought that this would be the perfect opportunity to organize my shirt drawer. Yesterday, I had a moment of I'm ready to purge a few items. And so I went through my shirt drawer and sort of pulled some things out that I was like, you're not bringing me joy. And they are no longer in there. And my drawer in general is just a mess right now. And what better time to reorganize it than the present? Because what else am I gonna be doing? Let's get to organizing. Well, there you go. Drawer's been organized. And I know it was just one drawer, but I feel pretty accomplished. Maybe I'll get to the other 2 drawers eventually, but for now that feels much better. I actually did find a few more t-shirts that I've decided to give away, or they weren't even supposed to be in that drawer to begin with. So it just feels good. It feels good to have it all organized and I can just pull and see all of my shirt options. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this. And I'll see you tomorrow.